Quick Grip Link Chain for heavy-duty trucks is available in many styles, from standard highway service and bar reinforced styles to CTO, cold temperature operation. Installation. Park vehicle on firm level ground and turn off the engine. Set the parking brake. Use safety, wear highly visible clothing if possible. Lay the chains out on the ground and make sure there are no twists or tangles. Make sure the cross chain hooks are facing upward. Drape the chains evenly over the tire so that one cross chain is positioned at the point where the tire meets the ground, and tuck it in. Again, make sure the cross chain hooks are facing upward. Hooks that face down towards the tire will cause damage to the tire. Cam style chains. The cam side chain adjusters should be on the outside of the tire. Move the vehicle so that 2 or 3 cross chains pass under the tire. Reach behind the tire and fasten the inside fastener, making sure it is as tight as possible. Next, fasten the outside fastener, again making sure it is as tight as possible. Drive a short distance and retighten all fasteners. Cam side chain adjusters should now be closed by turning the cam clockwise with the included cam tightening tool. If there are more than 2 loose links at any of the fasteners, we recommend that you secure them to the side chain with a piece of wire plastic tie. For the longest possible service life, occasionally recheck the chain for a snug fit. For V-bar or reinforced styles, make sure the V-bar points away from the tire. Otherwise, tire damage will occur. For non-cam style chains, the outside fastener can come in different variations. Fasten the outside connector by passing the long lever through one of the chain links, folding it back in the opposite direction, and securing the keeper link on the end of the lever. Non-cam style chains, rubber or metal chain tighteners, which are sold separately, are recommended to take up additional slack. The open side of the hooks must face away from the tire. No further adjustment should be necessary. Quick Grip, many styles for your needs available.